Hello, Dental World. Well, I'm out here on site in North Carolina. I'm going through my checklist right now of things I need to do to just check to close this thing out. As you can see, this project is just about there, waiting for a few inspectors to come and do their final thing, sign off, and start moving furniture and supplies in here. Painters came and painted this wall yesterday, so we're going to put all the shelving on today. You'll see the shelving here in a minute behind us, but I'm in the lab right now and I'm going through some of the checklists, looking for the air for the, when we came in and did our critical dimension check at our box walk, we made sure that the air was here, and that we had the water stubbed out for the model trimmer. This is a little bit bigger lab than what we normally see, but you know, the doc preferred that, so he gets, you know, he's paying, he gets what he wants. We got IT right here. Give you just a quick look around here, real quick, because we got some guys around here. This is IT area here. We actually have this plugged in here because that's our music. This goes plugged into the front. I think it goes to the front PC. There's a computer in the front that they can control the music from there, so they don't have to do it from back here. That's something new that the IT department's been doing. Our IT companies have been doing, so that's pretty great. Over here is all the shelving I was talking about. So all the shelving goes here. It goes here, it goes in the next room behind us where we just came from. We got the sterilization cabinet here. The cool thing about this, there's 3 different cabinet providers here. This was provided by somebody else, the sterilization. The 12 o'clock cabinets were provided by a dental equipment provider, and then the general contractor provided his cabinets. Actually, there's 4. So this locker over here was provided by somebody else because the general contractor chose not to make it himself because, you know, wasn't really too comfortable with it. But I'm gonna chalk this up as a win. All 4 different people matched the same laminate, and that sounds like it shouldn't be too hard. But let me tell you what, everybody has different interpretations of what this color is. But anyhow, we got it to match. All went well. This is the break room right here. Got the break room. This is a built-in bench. The doctor's ordering some cushions for it. So they're going to have some cushions that sit here. This is something that he came up with sort of out of the other office he was at before, where he's coming from. It's pretty cool. I like it. The only thing about it, I wish it had some hinges maybe for storage, so you could put some storage in the bottom here maybe. I mean, it's kind of it's fixed. So that's it, it's there. With a regular table, well, you could move it out, you could move it, you could reconfigure it if you wanted to. I mean, you know, but hey, it's not my office, right? This is the, behind over here, we're going to have the equipment room. This is the bigger equipment closet. So, I don't usually normally see them this big, but in this area we had to have a certain size, and so we made it a little bit bigger here for the inspection department, so it ate up a little bit of room into the break room. But here's the equipment. Got, you know, compressor, and then we have the vacuum pump over here. We got the filter for the water, amalgam separator. So anyhow, this is equipment, right? There's a lot of money in there. So, we keep it locked. Come on, guys, there's some more storage over here, look. This little room right here is going to have storage in here. The doc really wanted a lot of storage. The wall behind you is the tip-out band wall. And so this room was just painted last night, so that's why the shelving's not on it yet. This is a tip-out band wall. He wants another set of tip-out bends right here. But as you guys know, these things are pricey right now, and they're hard to find right now. Therefore, we only got one section up right now, and he'll get the other one as needed. You know, don't need to spend that money right now. So over here we have, we're going to go into the clinical hallway, coming out of the break room, the lab sterilization storage area. We're going to come over here. He's got this ceiling in here with black ceiling tiles. I totally love it. I mean, I think it looks really bang up awesome. It looks really good. He's got some cool decorative lights. He's got some paintings that are going to go here, some artwork that's going to hang here. That's gonna be black and white also. I don't know what you call it. I'm not really an artist kind of guy, but he showed me the photos of it. I wish it was here. You guys would have loved it. We might be able to have. We're gonna probably get photos of this later from the marketing company, so we'll be able to share those later. But the ceiling, the light fixtures we picked were really cool. And the operatories here, I'll show you one out because they're all gonna be typical. Let's find one with a chair. Here we go. So the chairs are covered right now because we are still waiting for the inspector to come, and we can't have it look like it's ready to see patients because that causes a big stink. Anyhow, 12-wall TV, little sink because this is one of the very few offices that I do with sinks in them because the patients really don't use them. But he wanted sinks in here. Hey, he wants sinks. He got sinks. We got the dental chair. We got a cabinet from I think it's Belmont. 12 o'clock cabinet. We got the monitor up here, wireless keyboard. They need to put that bottle back on, but anyhow, it's 8 by 11. You got TV overhead, so it's 8 by 11. It's 8 feet wide, and it's 11 from the 12 o'clock wall to the toe wall, finish to finish, or drywall to drywall is what we call it. So very efficient. The room might seem small to you guys. But it's really not. Very efficient. So, yeah, clinical hallway. It's got pocket doors, So, there's one thing about these pocket doors. They came in. This is clear. Doc wanted clear, full light doors. So here's the clear full light door. And then over here on the assistant side, we have the 2-foot door. This one's frosted. This is a mistake. So these doors were reordered because the frosting came from the factory. So this door is going to be changed out. But for right now, we need inspection. We're not going to worry about that. The doors are on order, red label. They'll come in, probably install them a day that he's closed. It'll take them a couple hours to change all the assistant doors. And then we've got a small doctor's office in the back, but it's just a small room. We got, in the Carolinas, you got to have the panel room. It can be open like we typically do in the other offices. So there's a door here because it's got to be control that radiation. So anyhow, it's kind of messy in there right now because that's panel stuff. I don't like to move panel stuff because I can't afford to replace panel stuff if it gets lost. So you never know what's in those boxes or what that stuff is, so I leave it there until absolutely sure that the dental equipment guy says, oh yeah, you can move this here and there, and then we box it all together, label it, put it somewhere in the back saying panel stuff with like a skull and crossbones, so nobody moves that stuff because that stuff is super expensive. So anyhow, we're gonna go to the front right now. I think there's some couple of contractors up there, so Veronica's just gonna show you the check-in, check-out area, and then the high 24-foot lobby ceiling he's got. Super cool. It's got a custom light that we put in there. Anyhow, I'm going to open the door for her, and I'll see you guys in the next video.